Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to go over the double stroke roll. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. The double stroke roll is one of the most important and applicable rudiments that you can learn. It simply goes bass, bass, treble, treble, or 2 strikes per hand. There are 2 ways to practice the double stroke roll in this video lesson. In the first part, each strike comes down at the same velocity. There's more wrist involved, and you'll notice that as you get to playing faster, you'll naturally be limited to how fast you can play, and it'll seem difficult. Exercise 4A plays doubles without taking into consideration dynamics, whereas the latter does. In application, when playing the double stroke roll, you'll want to play exercise 4B, which you'll see momentarily, so that there's a certain sweetness to it and it just flows more effortlessly. Let's take a look at both exercises now. Now that we know what the double stroke is, let's play it in a groove. When playing the double stroke roll in Chaal, for example, I typically start off with da ge opposed to ge ge and then go into the roll, just because it comes more naturally and it sounds better overall. That's just my opinion, of course. The da in the beginning comes down on a downstroke, whereas a subsequent ge is a tap stroke. And then it follows a normal pattern that we do in the exercise, which is alternating between upstrokes and downstrokes. Let's take a look at how this roll sounds in Chaal. I'm gonna start with a Thora, play Chaal 4 times, play the roll 4 times, and then go back to Chaal and finish with the same Thora. Keep in mind that the first roll starts with Da Ge, and this is only played once. Let's try this out now. Much like the previous lesson, I'm going to post a double stroke roll practice under the exercises and rudiments playlist, making it easier for you guys to go through each of the exercises on their own. This is the end of the lesson, but before I let you guys go, if you found this video useful, be sure to drop a like, and if you want to take your Dhol skills further, join me on Patreon by following the link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.